Hi there, hope your Tuesday's going along nicely. Thanks a lot for joining us for your web forecast. Well, yesterday pretty much off the charts, 89 the high, feels like temperatures into the mid-90s. Expect more of the same today in spite of more cloud cover. Yeah, complex of thunderstorms moved through Michigan overnight, and the top of those clouds, those thunderstorm clouds, was blown in here, so we're starting out mostly cloudy, and we're introducing some rain showers and maybe even a rumble of thunder as we head through your morning drive. We're on the axis of a ridge of high pressure, and I'll show you more about that in just a moment. The heat and humidity in place. Upper 80s today, dew points getting into the upper 70s, so today is actually going to feel even hotter than what we saw yesterday. Yesterday a high of 89, I'm going for a high of 88, but the dew point 3 to 4 degrees warmer. So we're going to feel like we're in 95, 96, 97 degree range with the heat index, the warm humid air in place, and it's all underneath that ridge of high pressure. And we're on the eastern periphery of it. So we're getting the flow up over the top, and as it descends here, we're getting some lift, and that creates some instability. And we're going to see periods of showers and storms throughout the day today, and the possibility of some strong storms according to the Storm Prediction Center as we get into this evening and overnight. And you can see some of those firing as they come down the backside of the ridge here. So today's required equipment, of course, the water bottle with heat indices as high as 96, 97 degrees. Grab that umbrella as well. You'll need it early this morning, likely to get a bit of a midday lull after this initial batch moves its way through. And then we'll likely see more storms fire as we get into this afternoon, isolated in nature, more wide coverage during the evening and overnight. In fact, some of these storms could be strong. Primary threat, damaging winds, large hail, so stay weather vigilant overnight. No break from the heat and humidity until we get into the day on Thursday. We're warm, humid tomorrow with more scattered showers, isolated storms. I think they'll be less numerous, but the possibility is there. Highs tomorrow in the upper 80s, threatening 90 degrees. Once again, the humidity thick as well. So, yeah, stay hydrated. Keep an eye on your neighbors, especially the young, the old, with those with respiratory challenges, and our pets. They're wearing a fur jacket. They need access to shade and water throughout the day and throughout the entire week ahead. Again, Storm Prediction Center has us in a favorable area for seeing some strong to severe storms. We've got a slight risk in place this evening, this afternoon, this evening, and during the overnight. Damaging winds, large hail, the primary threats with some of those storms. And again, most likelihood of strong storms late in the day. So stay weather vigilant this evening and through the overnight as those storms fire up. For today, though, stay hydrated. 88 the high. Feels like temperatures 95, 96, 97 degrees. And again, that umbrella will be needed at times. Expect more of the same for your Wednesday. 89 the high. Humidity still up. Now, the humidity will lessen somewhat, back into the 60s for dew points on Thursday. So the sweat index, the heat index, not quite as high, but still very hot for your Thursday, Friday, especially on Saturday to kick off the holiday weekend. Looks like we can see some storms with some humidity on Sunday. Right now, it looks like Labor Day, Monday, is dry, but we're warm throughout the next week as well. So it took a while for summer to arrive, but it certainly has as we head into, well, the unofficial end of summer, the Labor Day holiday weekend, and next week is looking toasty as well. Be careful with the heat out there. Look out for some strong storms during the evening and overnight. Thanks a lot for joining us for your web forecast. I'm meteorologist John James.